Hey YouTube, this is Lego Reviewer bringing you another review on the 2011 police boat. This is set number 7287, 172 pieces. I'd just like to mention I switched two places. Might as well get started. First minifigure has got the usual police cap. No, like a bold chin face. Then the new minifigure, he got a white cap. He's got a more like a okay, I guess. Like someone asked him a question and he's smiling like okay, I guess. I switched and he's holding a radio. As you can see by the box, the driver is this guy, not this guy, but I switched them so this guy is the driver. I think this guy should drive and not this guy because this guy's new. Also, our other minifigure, the bandit, the criminal. The only I got him handcuffed because it said to handcuff him. The face is the same, the hat is the same. The only thing that's different is the outfit, which is a gray shirt and gray pants. Personally, I like the white shirt and black pants better. The set comes with a little jet ski. Yes, I had to do that. This is my second so now I have a police boat as well as a fire boat. Let's get started. We've got these little life preservers, a couple of lights here, a little hinge in this part, this open, and this little compartment is where the criminal sits. It's right in there. Oh, no, he doesn't sit, he lays down. Go away. This piece comes off. So in this little box here goes the jet ski. And there's no studs in there to clip this on, it just goes down in it. Just clips down. Up here you've got the driver's area, just the seat, steering wheel, a couple monitors, nice window, a couple of binoculars. This is where I'm putting this guy. I'm going there just like that. That means I'm making this guy the diver. This piece comes off for a reason, because inside the little blue thing there is a bed, which this guy goes, he just lays there. But I'm keeping him out because I got one more thing to show you with that guy. Oh, I almost forgot how that was on there. It's just a little bar. On this side, the ladder and diving equipment, which I'll show you what the guy looks like in the diving equipment. Oh, God, I have the flippers on there pretty good. Sorry about the delay. I'm sorry, those footsteps from my mom. There, diver's equipment. It's got a helmet with a little mask, air tank, flippers. I actually like him in the diver's equipment. I'm gonna just let him sit there. That's pretty cool. I kind of like that diver's equipment. So yeah, that's the police boat. This is my last review for a while. Got some home renovating because, as you can see, there was a bunch of things there. They're now in the opposite corner of the room. I'm getting a computer desk, but it's one of those computers meant for games, not. So I give this a 10 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in my next review, or you'll see me.